Have you ever wondered how websites are made? It's a fascinating process that combines creativity and technical skill. It's like constructing a building, but instead of bricks and mortar, we use code. Each line of code is like a brick, carefully placed to create a solid structure. This code forms the foundation and structure of every website you visit. Without it, the web as we know it wouldn't exist. To build a website, you need to learn the languages of the web. These languages are the tools that allow developers to bring their ideas to life. The most important languages are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Each one plays a crucial role in web development. These three work together to create everything you see and interact with online. They are the building blocks of the web. Think of HTML as the skeleton, CSS as the clothes, and JavaScript as the movement and personality. Together, they bring a website to life. But there's more to a website than meets the eye. The front end is just the tip of the iceberg. Behind the scenes, back-end languages like PHP, Python, and Node.js work tirelessly. They handle the heavy lifting. They handle the complex logic, interact with databases, and ensure everything runs smoothly. Without them, websites wouldn't function properly. Let's dive in and explore these languages, uncovering the magic behind the web. There's so much to learn and discover. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the backbone of every web page. It provides the structure and content of a website. Imagine building a house. HTML would be the walls, floors, and roof. Here's a simple example of HTML code. HTML. In this code, tags like and define different elements of the page. These elements tell the browser how to display the content. Without HTML, websites would be a jumbled mess of text and images. It's the essential foundation upon which all else is built. While HTML provides the structure, CSS, or cascading style sheets, is all about style. It dictates how HTML elements should look, their colors, fonts, sizes, and positions on the page. If HTML is the skeleton, CSS is the clothing that makes it visually appealing. Here's an example of CSS code: CSS H1, color blue, font size 36px, IP, font family, Arial, sans serif. This code styles elements to be blue with a font size of 36 pixels. It also sets the font of all elements to Arial. CSS allows us to control every visual aspect of our website, making it beautiful and engaging for users. HTML provides the structure. CSS adds style, and JavaScript brings interactivity. It's the language that makes websites dynamic and responsive to user actions. Think of animations, interactive maps, or form validations. That's JavaScript at work. Let's look at a simple example. JavaScript alert, hello world. This code, when executed in a web browser, will display a pop-up window with the message, hello world. JavaScript allows us to create dynamic content, handle user input, and make websites more engaging and user-friendly. While HTML, CSS, and JavaScript handle the front end, the part of the website users see, back-end languages work behind the scenes. They power the server-side operations, handle data storage and retrieval, and ensure the website functions smoothly. Think of it like a car. You interact with the steering wheel, pedals, and dashboard, but the engine hidden under the hood is what makes it move. PHP, Python, and Node.js are some of the most popular back-end languages. These languages are powerful tools that allow developers to create complex web applications, handle user authentication, process payments, and much more. They form the backbone of dynamic websites and web applications we use every day. PHP, or Hypertext Preprocessor, is a widely used backend language specifically designed for web development. It's known for its ease of use and versatility, making it a popular choice for building dynamic websites and web applications. Here's a simple example of PHP code. This code, when executed on a server, will display the text, "Hello World." PHP can interact with databases, process form data, and generate dynamic content, making it an essential tool for many websites. Section 7. Python, versatile and powerful. Python is a versatile and powerful programming language widely used in various domains, including web development. It's known for its clear syntax and readability, making it relatively easy to learn and use. Here's an example of Python code using the Flask framework. Python from Flask import, Flask app equals Flask at app.route, def hello. Return, hello world, if app run. This code creates a simple web application using Flask that displays hello world when accessed in a web browser. Python's versatility and extensive libraries make it suitable for building various web applications, from simple websites to complex data-driven platforms. Section 8. Node.js, JavaScript on the server. In this section, we will explore how JavaScript can be utilized beyond the browser. Node.js is a runtime environment that allows developers to use JavaScript for server-side programming. It is built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine, which makes it fast and efficient. This means you can use the same language for both front-end and back-end development, which can simplify development workflows. This unification can lead to better collaboration between teams and more streamlined code bases. Here's an example of Node.js code using the Express.js framework, a popular choice for building web applications and APIs. JavaScript const express equals require express. Const app equals express. This sets up the basic structure of an Express application. App.get formage reki res ease res. Send hello world. Or app. Listen 3000. Eeg. Console. Log. Server listening on port 3000. This code snippet sets up a route and starts the server. This code creates a simple web server that listens on port 3000 and responds with "Hello World" when accessed. It's a great starting point for building more complex applications. Node.js is known for its speed and scalability, making it a popular choice for building real-time applications and APIs. Its non-blocking, event-driven architecture allows it to handle multiple connections efficiently. Section 9. Databases, the memory of the web. They are the backbone of modern web development, ensuring that data is stored, organized, and easily retrievable. Databases are essential components of many websites and web applications. Without them, managing large amounts of data would be nearly impossible. They store and organize data, making it easily accessible and manageable. This organization is crucial for the smooth operation of any web service. Think of a database as a giant, well-organized filing cabinet for your website's information. Every piece of data has its place, making retrieval quick and efficient. There are two main types of databases: SQL and NoSQL. Each has its own strengths and is suited for different types of applications. SQL databases, like MySQL and PostgreSQL, store data in tables with rows and columns. This structured format is ideal for complex queries and transactions. NoSQL databases, like MongoDB and Cassandra, use different data models, such as documents or key-value pairs. These are more flexible and can handle unstructured data. Here's an example of an SQL query. This is a simple yet powerful way to interact with your database. SQL select from users, where age = 18. This query is asking the database to return all users who are older than 18 years old. This query selects all users from the users table who are older than 18 years old. It's a straightforward example of how SQL can be used to filter data. Databases allow websites to store and retrieve user information, product details, blog posts, and any other data needed to function correctly. They are indispensable for the dynamic nature of modern web applications. Section 10. Conclusion: your web development journey. Building websites is like constructing a building, requiring different tools and languages for each part. HTML forms the structure, CSS adds style, and JavaScript brings interactivity. Behind the scenes, back-end languages like PHP, Python, and Node.js power the server-side operations. And databases store and manage the website's data, ensuring everything runs smoothly. This essay has provided a glimpse into the fascinating world of web development. There's much more to explore, but understanding these fundamental languages is the first step. So, embrace your curiosity, start learning, and embark on your web development journey.